Are you facing the challenges of managing course enrollment of users across your Shopify store and learning management system? Management of course access based on products purchased from your Shopify store can be tedious and prone to errors. It's time-consuming, and delays in granting access to courses can lead to customer dissatisfaction. Introducing our Sync Up Users and Course Sync application. Its LMS integration feature allows you to integrate and manage your Shopify store and LMS efficiently. When a customer purchases a product connected to a specific course in LMS from your Shopify store, their LMS platform automatically creates a student account for them if it does not already exist, and the user will be auto-enrolled in the associated course so that the learning process can begin. Also, whenever the user decides to have a refund for the purchased products, access to related course material is immediately revoked. No more manual efforts and delays. Apart from this auto-enrollment feature, there are various other features like bundle course purchase, buy for others, course expiry, subscription expiry. Bundle course purchase feature simplifies the enrollment process for individuals buying courses in the bundle. It allows users to access and enroll in all the courses without having to go through the enrollment process individually for each course. With our Buy for Others feature, once the course has been purchased from the Shopify store, its access can be provided to your family, friends, and other acquaintances just by entering their email addresses and assigning vouchers to them. Once the course has been purchased in the Shopify store. With our Course Expiry feature, the expiry date will automatically be set on your LMS. With the Subscription Expiry feature, if a customer has purchased a product that is subscription-based instead of a one-time payment, then the subscription amount will be automatically deducted monthly. If the subscription amount is not auto-deducted, access to the LMS course will be revoked. Try our Shopify LMS Integration Course Sync app today and streamline your course management effortlessly with a 15-day full-feature trial. To get started with the trial of the Shopify LMS Integration application, contact us at shopifysupport@securify.com.